Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a very good video. We are doing my header gasket and my downpipe gasket because I have a big exhaust leak and you can hear it. It doesn't smell super bad, but I'd rather just get the leak done so I can hear my full exhaust system and not hear that, because every time I punch it, that's what it sounds like, and it don't sound very good because obviously it's a Honda. So yeah, here is the gaskets I got. We got the header gasket right here, the downpipe gasket in the back, and then this is after the downpipe to the catalytic converter, but I already bought one, so that's just going to be my extra. So if the other one wants to blow, because it did last time, I'll have another one. So yeah, we're going to be hopping in. My friend Trey's going to be helping me do this, so we're going to be hopping in, getting this ready and done. And next video is going to be a very good one. I have the package right here to the side of me. Let's see those sneak peek. Yeah, there it is. That's all you guys can see until next week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's hop right into working. Alright guys, we're getting one of the bolts bolted right now. One of them's already loose. It's gonna be very difficult to record and do this at the same time. So I'll just get back to you guys probably once we get the header off. Alright guys, we're going to have all the headers and bolts off. Now we just have to get these two other off, and they're not going to be very fun. This one's not going to be very fun because the header goes like that, and this one's already a pain. So I'll get back to you guys when they get those off. Alright guys, well we got the header gasket on. Didn't really record too much of that, but it was boring anyways. Cleaned it up, made sure it's all smooth. No, I dropped one. And big boy over here dropped the bolt.
It's okay.
I got it. If I can see, oh, my car.
It's right there. Oh, there it is.
A bolt. And so we're just putting this down, and we're gonna lift the car up and do the downpipe gasket. So, and then we're gonna start working on his car again. Alright guys, it's been a few days later after I installed the downpipe and the header gaskets. The reason I haven't been able to finish the video for it's been like 4 days or 5 days, I can't remember. It's because at work I've been working really long hours, and every time I get home it's already 5, 6, and out here it's already dark, so I couldn't really do too much about it. But now I'm going to be finishing up this video, explaining what I did, because I didn't really record much because my friend Trey was just trying to do it. I'm gonna tag him on the screen right here because he's helped me a lot with my car, so I do appreciate it, man. But sorry, with the header gaskets, all we did is obviously unbolt the headers, drop the headers a bit. It was a little bit of a pain because I still have AC and heater in my car, so it was a bit more of a pain, but that's all right. What we do is take off the headers, take off the old gasket, clean where the gasket lays, because sometimes it likes to stick a little bit of the old gasket. The gasket was pretty blown, so I mean it wasn't too bad, but it was bad, but it wasn't too bad. So we took off that, cleaned it off, made sure it was all flat and smooth on the surface. We did that. We put the headers back on, and then we went underneath the car to take the downpipe gasket off, because I can smell an exhaust leak every time I drive my car in one spot, and turn my heater on or my AC. Not my AC, I don't really use that, but heater on. I could smell fumes a little bit, which I didn't want to smell fumes anymore because I've smelled fumes so much and it smells great. I don't really like, I'm a big fan of it, but so I unbolted it was a very pain in the ass to get the downpipe off the studs that they're like twisting, that you can twist them in. You can like change them out, but the studs were like rusted and the bolts were super rusted, so it were really pain to get out. But we got 2 of the bolts out. The third one was even more of a pain because it was like super rusted, and whoever had this car before cross-threaded it, and it wasn't fun. The little stud thing was still fine, but the bolt was it was just garbage. The bolt was cross-threaded and it wasn't good. So I thought I was gonna have to take off the stud, but we didn't have to, so I just took the bolt out. And the reason that it was leaking is because there wasn't an actual gasket there. There was nothing there. So we put the gasket on, we bolted everything together, and that's pretty much how it went. But it wasn't really that hard to do. Very simple, self-explanatory process to do. It was just a bit of a pain because of the rusted out bolts and cross-threaded, because the people obviously didn't know how to put bolt on correctly and hand tying it first. But yeah, that's pretty much all that happened. wasn't too much information to be done. It was very self-explanatory. Unbolt the headers, take the old gasket off, clean where the headers go. Where the gasket goes. Make it nice. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Put the other gasket on, bolt it back on. Go underneath the car. Couldn't really do the downpipe from above the car because my AC and heater, obviously. So we went underneath the car. We unbolted it. It took this process probably took 30 minutes, 45 minutes to replace all the gaskets. But we were in the pouring rain, so I didn't want to record too much because I was already getting wet and soaked, and it was very cold, and I get cold very fast. So that is one other reason why I didn't record that much of that process. I'm sorry about that, but that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. And it is pouring rain outside right now, as you can see. That's why I don't want to go and show you guys, because it's raining right now, and I'm not a big fan over the rain. So that's another thing to know about me. I'm not a big fan of rain. So yeah, that's all we did. Unbolt header, bolt back headers with the new gasket, unbolt it, unbolt downpipe, put the new gasket, and that's pretty much how it went. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took me a while to finally get to this point that I can actually end this video, because it's been just sitting here on my camera roll. So I recorded my iPhone XR, but it's just been sitting here, and I've been wanting to post it, and I wanted to post it last week. I wanted to post it sometime last weekend, and then this week, and I couldn't because I just didn't have time, but now I do have time. So I'm happy to get to finish this video off. So thank you guys for supporting me, getting to 53 subscribers. I'm very, very happy about that. Thank you guys for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.